Hey guys, we're doing a live podcast of the British Grand Prix, okay, on the 5th of July. So come for that. It's at
Quarterpillar Harvest.
Right here, okay. The link is in bio. You can go book tickets right now so that he stops dancing, please.
See you guys
Yes.
soon.
All right.
You
Enjoy
wanna
the
party?
episode. Enjoy the episode and let him party. Bye.
You wanna party? Hello everybody, this is Michael Croft from Ernakulam district. What a race! What a George Russell! What a greatest driver to be born in that side of the world! What a diabolical mate! Diabolical! What a diabolical driving! Oh, double yellow flag, but you are driving the car. George Russell, I want to ask you one question. Whenever you are coming third, there is no controversy because you are number 2 driver. But whenever you are coming first, why is there so much controversy, George Russell? Because you are a बट जॉर्ज रसल क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार इतना कंट्रोवर्शियल विन लेने के बाद भी रात को नींद आ रहा है क्या चाहते हो हम लोग बोले कि जॉर्ज रसल क्या गाड़ी चलाया वो बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जॉर्ज रसल इन दैट सेम कार Kimi Antonelli is the fastest driver. If it comes to sacrificing one Mercedes driver to accommodate someone by the name of Verstappen, it will be you, George Russell. Always remember, जब करवट बदलते हो तो वर्स्टैपिन का फोटो बाजू में रखना.
रेस अच्छा था रेस अच्छा था ये पता नहीं क्या
वरवट पे पहुंच गया भाई.
Jawline. He's putting a dumbbell on his jawline and doing like this every day. What is jawline? And with the new shot, Vivian
Thank you.
Castellino, the boy toy, the best thing to have happened to Mira Road since the Cheknaka. And with a new hairstyle, Dulquer Salman. Oh,
Welcome. अबे जगह मत बोल रहा.
जैसे कि वो लोग गांडू यश ऐसा हमें बिल्डिंग में आगे यश इधर रहता है क्या
भाई पब्लिक का भरोसा.
हाँ वो यश का आवाज ही भारी है देखो यश का ना इंडियन मेल लोग से आवाज में एक बैरिटोन ऊपर है एक मसाला डोसा देना यश है क्या इधर
It was so funny because once when I was coming to work my station मैं ट्रेन में बैठा था and I just woke up and I was fully dazed और फिर आया स्टेशन I got up and the guy who was coming to take my seat he looked at me and he went like अरे ड्राइवर स्टेशन है. मैं बोला भाई मेरे को ऐसे मत देख भाई.
वही ना अरे नहीं कैसे भी देखना चाहो देखो
too
प्लीज
fucking dazed.
आम्हाला घ्या फक्त बट
welcome.
विवियन बहुत यकेश एंड ऑल यू आर डूइंग
मैं कॉफी में थोड़ा शक्कर डाल के आता हूँ एक्चुअली शक्कर नहीं है लाइक
Pause for a minute.
तुम लोग को इतना
Because this
शक्कर
can't-
चाहिए रहता
didn't
है.
believe
Guys, by
me
the
that
way,
there's no sugar
guys,
in the
by the way,
fucking
आज मैं
coffee.
खुलासा करता हूँ कि हर पॉडकास्ट के पहले गोविंद अपने कंगन बेच के कॉफी फंड कर रहा है हम लोग के ठीक है
और ये देखो कंप्लेन कर रहा है शक्कर नहीं है.
आज दोनों इयरिंग्स नहीं पहना गोविंद ने ठीक है
शक्कर नहीं है
हाँ,
भाई
शक्कर नहीं
शक्कर नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे बिजनेसेस चला रहा हूँ भोका टस्किन
इसे बोका और भोका.
बोका
हाँ मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ.
बोका नहीं मैं रोते रोते बोका बोल रहा था तो वो
Okay,
भोका हो गया.
Fair enough.
सही है बेबी अब मजा आ रहा है तेरे को अब
एक्चुअली
जो कॉफी दिया सही है भाई तुम लोग फेंक ही दो ना.
बट काफी मैं मुझे आप लोग से आप पैनल से मुझे सवाल पूछना है
हाँ
कि
जी.
हम पैनल है क्या
हाँ साहब मैं भी तो पैनल ही हूँ
हाँ जी.
तो मैं पैनल से सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा कि गाइस मुझे तो काफी ओके रेस लगा
मुझे अच्छा लगा.
I
ठीक
loved
रेस
it.
था वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग ऑस्ट्रियन ग्रैंड प्रीक्स
Yeah.
इट वाज अ ग्रैंड प्रीक्स
Yes.
नॉट अ ग्रैंड प्री आई विल से
Yes.
थोड़ा बुरा तो लगा मैक्स का स्ट्रीक टूट गया.
या नहीं क्या मैंने
उसमें बुरा लगने की क्या बात है.
बट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लॉट
Sad
ऑफ
when you break a streak.
आई लाइड कि मैं बंद कर दूंगा मैक्स का मजाक
सबसे बेस्ट चीज
उड़ाना.
पूरा वीक है ना पूरा वीक फेरारी बोल रहा था हम लोग अपग्रेड लेके आ रहे हैं अपग्रेड लेके गाड़ी स्लो लेक्लर का तो लेक्लर बीच से बोला काटा वाले में रिक्शा दिए करे रिक्शा अरे भाई क्या ओवरटेक कर रहे थे उसको लोग?
फरारी
Everybody overtook Leclerc यार.
फरारी रेस में बहुत ही गंदे थे बहुत ही मतलब फ्रॉम व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्टेड आई थॉट इट बी बेटर डूड.
But like Red Bull overtook Ferrari a lot because they got a lot of upgrades. So that is one of the
Red
reasons
Bull also had upgrades. I'll tell you
Yeah,
which
had a lot of upgrades.
I'll tell you which team के upgrades worked perfectly. Cadillac came with upgrades. Did you know?
कौन बैंड चो दोनों ही DNF हो गए थे ना.
Yeah.
गए?
अपग्रेड लेके आए ना कैडिलैक.
कैडिलैक क्या करता है मालूम है क्या
हाँ.
वो लोग वो अपना ये एयर वेंट्स रहते हैं ना, उसके ऊपर चिकट पट्टी चिपकाते हैं.
चिकट पट्टी.
भाई बट कैडिलैक जो पोस्टर्स बनाता है हर रेस वीकेंड का बहुत
बहुत
मस्त
अच्छा
है.
बनाता है.
लाइक कैडिलैक का गाड़ी छोड़ के और
I
रेस
think-
छोड़ के सब मस्त है.
आई थिंक अपग्रेड्स वो लोग शायद पोस्टर पे लेके आए थे.
All of
वो.
these compliments Vivian से ही आ रहे हैं.
अपग्रेड किया, Adobe Pro में अपग्रेड किया.
ये सब compliment Vivian ही दे सकता है और कोई नहीं दे सकता
मतलब
है.
विवियन क्या है यार, विवियन ये सब देखते बैठते हैं तू.
भाई
Hey
उन लोग
guys.
ने एस्टन मार्टिन से ज्यादा रेसेस खत्म किया है. ठीक है, उन लोगों को थोड़ा
Fair.
इज्जत दो.
Hey guys, new upgrades for our graphic team.
वो Vivian का चेहरा छिप रहा है
नहीं,
हाँ
उससे.
हाँ.
नहीं,
छिप रहा
sorry.
छिप रहा नीचे रख.
तुझे Vivian नहीं दिखाना कैमरे पे?
अरे मुझे लगा
नहीं, तुझे Vivian नहीं दिखाना कैमरे पे.
विवियन दिख रहा है.
Vivian नहीं दिखना चाहिए कैमरे
लेके
पे.
आए ना कैडिलैक तो देखा गया.
Both DNFs बाबा.
I know that तो I know but they
Fourth
got
and second.
मेरे को लग रहा
what
है,
an upgrade.
मेरे को लग रहा है ये पॉइंट पे ना बोटास है ना सिर्फ टाइम पास करने के लिए आते हैं उधर. बोटास से ना वो लोग मीटिंग ब्रीफिंग में पूछते हैं कि गाड़ी का क्या, बोलते हैं गाड़ी का अच्छा है, गाड़ी अच्छा है और बाकी तो सब अच्छा है, खाना वगैरह अच्छा था. थोड़ा तुम लोग थोड़ा डेजर्ट पे थोड़ा काम करो.
मैं थोड़ा तैर के आता
हाँ,
हूँ,
तैर के-
साइकिल चला के आता
हाँ वही वो
हूँ.
साइकिल में आता है ना. मुझे लगता है वही साइकिल चला लेना चाहिए एक साल. नेक्स्ट ईयर तक कैडिलैक का कुछ बेटर हो जाएगा तब चला
वो लोग
लेना.
Triathlon में उसको लग रहा है F1 भी है तो पहुंच गया
हाँ,
Aston का
Bottas.
तो मेरे को बोलते हैं स्पा में आने वाले, बोलते हैं स्पा डायरेक्ट. अभी स्पा में वो लोग
अपग्रेड्स.
या
भाई लांस स्ट्रोल हैजंट
आज ये पॉडकास्ट खुला है. आज ये पॉडकास्ट अपने मकाम पे पहुंचा है जहाँ पे यश बरसे जो चीजें मैं बोलता हूँ वो यश बरसे ने बोल दी है.
It looks so weird looking at Yash.
विवेन का चेहरा देख,
विवेन का चेहरा ही हो जाता है.
utterly disappointed dude.
Vivian, come on, you cannot be
ये same
surprised.
चीज समय बोलता तो हंसता
हाँ
तू.
वही.
नहीं हंसता.
But Vivian, you cannot be surprised that
I'm not
this
surprised.
is happening.
I'm just disappointed.
You cannot be disappointed also. It's been
भाई
this is the
भाई
second
अपने
season.
पॉडकास्ट का
वही.
तकिया कलाम क्या है कि एंथनी हैमिल्टन आइजैक हेजर को चड्डी दिखाता है. ये अपना तकिया कलाम है विवियन. इससे बुरा और क्या हो सकता है.
Yeah.
But I think Anthony Hamilton has been having special visits and shopping spree with Isaac Hejar because Isaac Hejar has been looking very aggressive on the track.
Very.
Yeah, very.
He's
He
been
turned out P6.
He turned out
like
P6.
overtaking and
Yeah,
shit.
मेरे को लगता है कि रेडबुल के अपग्रेड्स काम किए और मेरे को लगता है कि फॉर गुड. मेरे को बिकॉज भाई तुम लोग देखोगे ना रेडबुल लुक nowhere नियर द टॉप 3 teams and it was really sad and let me give you guys a brief and that this team looks like it is falling apart. GP Nikla, their chief engineer, has again left. So and if what the rumors are to be true, if Max also leave, it's end of an era for them. Like they have nothing. I mean, like they lack talent. They lack the ability जो लोगों ने टीम बनाया. GP निकल रहा है, चीफ इंजीनियर निकल रहा है और क्या बचा है?
हेलमेट मार्को क्या कर रहा होगा आजकल? क्या लग रहा है?
हेलमेट को ऐसा बोलता रहेगा जो मैं तुम लोगों को बोलता था. तुम लोग मेरे को बोलते थे कि बुड्ढा पागल हो गया है. मेरे स्टेटमेंट सही थे. बट तुम लोग देखिएगा कि भाई मैक्स से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में ऐसा है ना कि उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 2027 तक का है और वो ऐसा भी बोलता है कि भाई कि आई वांट टू ड्राइव फॉर रेडबुल एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम रेसिंग. बट प्रॉब्लम है उसके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में ये भी क्लॉज है कि अगर वो चैंपियनशिप विनिंग कार नहीं दिया या 1 और 2 नहीं रहा
हाँ
तो
वही. It's the top 2. उसका
तो फिर
top 2.
cultivate
ऐसे क्लॉज है.
com.
अभी डच मीडिया ये भी बोल रहा है, डच मीडिया वो भी बोल रहा है कि भाई वो मिडफील्ड ड्राइवर भी नहीं रहा अभी. तो मतलब द स्टैंडर्ड इज सो हाई. एवरेज क्वालिफाइंग ऑफ मैक्स हैज बीन 7 दिस सीजन and it just it goes
Yeah,
on to
he
say
is 7th in the driver standing also, no? I mean, I don't know if he's come up after this race,
yeah
but
and he's in a weird situation also guys because तुम लोग देखेगा ना कि अभी there were rumors that his manager has gone to McLaren and spoken.
Yeah.
अभी ऐसा है कि जैक ब्राउन के पास कोई जाएगा तो जैक ब्राउन बात तो करेगा ही. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं करेगा. मैक्स इज अ बिग टैलेंट. तो रिप्लेस किसको करेगा? बिकॉज Piastri नहीं एंड बात ऐसा है कि McLaren would want because they have put in so many years behind Norris and Piastri. The team has stabilized. They wouldn't want to disturb that ecosystem again. And if Max comes in, तो भाई क्लियरली नंबर 1 ड्राइवर हो जाएगा. तो इतने साल से नॉरिस के पीछे जो तूने बैक किया वो चला गया. और एक प्रेडिकमेंट ऐसा है कि मर्सिडीज में मेरे को लगता है कि जॉर्ज ने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है कि भाई मैं 2027 में भी चलाने वाला मर्सिडीज के लिए. ये जॉर्ज को लगता है ऐसे. ठीक है कि जॉर्ज को बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है. जॉर्ज तेरे को लात मार के निकालेंगे टीम से एक दिन.
Because उसका है he has that kind of street cred.
स्ट्रीट क्रेड उसके उधर ही उसके कॉलोनी में
नहीं
George
exactly.
has
उसके कॉलोनी में
kind of
जॉर्ज
street
भाई
थर्ड रोड पे उसका स्ट्रीट क्रेड
और एंड एट दिस पॉइंट सी जो भी जॉर्ज के साथ हो रहा है like however he is performing, however well he is racing, he still has a couple of years to go in this.
अभी
In Mercedes.
अभी मैं तुम लोग सब लोगों को पूछूंगा कि सब लोग तू टोटो है और तेरे पास ऑप्शन है मैक्स को लेने का
Get down.
हाँ
Get down again. वो आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर जैसे
मैं बोला क्या हो गया तेरे को
आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर जैसे
अभी
बात करता
मैक्स
है।
बोल रहा है कि भाई मेरे को आने का मर्सिडीज में मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट छोड़ के रेड बुल में आ रहा हूँ तू क्या करेगा टोटो इज एट दिस मोमेंट विद मैक्स तू क्या करेगा मैं मेरे को मालूम है कोई मैं तेरे को पहला क्यों पूछा तेरा बहुत बायस है मैक्स के अगेंस्ट बट तेरे पास
मैं
क्या हो गया
टोटो तो हिलाएगा ना भाई
वो गाली देगा थोड़ी देर के बाद ना मेरे को लगता है बीवीआर 1.8 विल चमाट बजाना चालू करेगा
ठीक है एज टोटो की एज मी
नहीं एज टोटो अगर तू टोटो की जगह पे होता एंड यू आर दी तो
to get Max.
बिकॉज
Of course he would get, but the thing is, Max ka, I know he won't retire, but looks like he won't be there. George would be there for longer.
Another year for Max in Red Bull.
Yeah, no,
Another
but
year.
the thing is,
Let's talk 2028. क्योंकि
Yeah.
एक और साल तो दो.
Yeah, I
Now
really
mid-season-
feel-
नो 2026 तो कहीं नहीं जा रहे हो द ओनली थिंग दैट ही कैन डू नाउ मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि रेड बुल में ही कैन जस्ट प्रेशराइज द टीम आई एम गोना लीव fucking give me a good car so that
I think that's exactly what he's doing with the talks
Yeah.
with McLaren. He's just trying to arm twist them, Red Bull, into just giving him what he wants,
Yeah.
just building the team that
but
he
वो जॉर्ज
wants.
को ड्रॉप करके ले लेगा मैक्स को
हाँ ले सकता है वो. I'm not denying that.
I really don't understand the point of it. टोटो इतना मेरे को तो स्टार्ट से ही समझ नहीं आ रहा टोटो इतना क्या पागल के जैसे पीछे पड़ा है. I mean I understand he missed that opportunity in the beginning to get Max and now there was a chance to get him back and all. But George है, Anthony Lee है. What is the lead for Max?
मेरा क्या
There.
point है? हाँ, तू-
if that switches for a better driver will he take
I mean, I guess
championship
yeah,
also,
of
no,
course
at the end
he'll
of the
take
day.
it.
See, think
He'll
of-
take it for sure. वो
See,
तो that's
think
no
of it,
question.
think of it this way अभी तक all these years for Mercedes has always been a A driver B driver team like
Yeah.
it's never been they've had two such strong drivers कि सब जगह ही सब ले ले
Yeah,
so if you get Max
except for obvious Hamilton
हाँ
and Rosberg
मतलब
one. but
उसके
yeah.
बाद मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर but if they have a chance to recreate that where they have like a A driver and someone who's supporting them so much for a B then why not dude?
You're saying Anthony Lee would just become a support
No
driver?
No, it would be like a head-on competition,
Huh.
and the fact that Max and Antonelli they get along really
Yeah,
well.
they do.
Yeah.
And Antonelli and this.
But the getting along is only until your teammates and you have to beat the other teammate. No.
सौरव गांगुली ने बोला था मैं एक क्रिकेट के एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ उसने ऐसा बोला था कि एक उभरते हुए प्लेयर को तुम उसके लेवल के ऊपर के लोगों के साथ रखोगे ना तो वो उभरेगा अगर तुम उसको जॉर्ज के साथ रखोगे ना तो उसका
कम ही होएगा
क्रिकेट के एग्जांपल में भी जॉर्ज का
ऐसे सौरव गांगुली ने बोला था
George
तेरे को WhatsApp पे मैसेज किया था ना उसने.
no but it's that same logic ना if you want to be better you have to race against people better than you so
No, fair. That makes sense. But I mean, first of all, I think none of them expected Anthony Lee to become better than George immediately. So I think this is a very new problem for them to.
but let's just not take into consideration अभी का Anthony Lee के मतलब whatever he's done with a spell of 5-6 races if you remove that and think of Anthony Lee as a newer talent in the team won't you rather have someone who's as successful
Yeah,
as
fair.
Max to coach and bring him up as a talent
Fair, but then it gets like even right now it's a little murky. Only कि कौन first driver है वो तो मतलब ये
you're
दोनों
saying
case
in
में-
Mercedes right
Yeah,
now
दोनों का है
fair.
ही. But if Max comes,
There's a 40-point difference.
yeah. No, but I'm saying if Max comes, that's gone. Then Max is the first driver,
man.
he's the second driver, and it's not like Anthony Lee needs 3-4 more years to then learn.
No,
I think
think
he's
a
reached
year
a point.
more.
Yeah,
A year
exactly. 1 or 2 years max,
I
and
think
he'll
at
be
this
good.
point, Kimi doesn't need like a second driver to be like guiding him and anything because that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's not gonna happen.
यस मैं बताता हूँ
He has a team engineer like
he has Bono. Yeah.
He has Toto.
देख
Toto has been learning since like fucking Lauda days, dude.
Yeah,
You
dude,
were
it's
saying?
just funny. It's just Mercedes के लोगों के नाम लेके. He has Bono, he has Toto, he has Toto, he has Chocho.
So
तू क्या करता था अगर तू टोटो
See, I still feel that ultimately जितना हम लोग ने Mercedes देखा है, it has been a very team forward team. Like it's always put the team first. इसके लिए Toto has the will to call bullshit out between two drivers also. So there's only one team that can handle two greats, which is Mercedes.
And plus
Red
they
Bull
want the
can't.
constructors also, no, because there's so much
Huh.
more money in that.
Bro, why not win the Abey, you get a better driver who can outperform, let's say, if put in a right car, Max can outperform George.
Yeah, of course he can.
There's no doubt about
There's
that.
literally no
He will
doubt.
outperform you in any day.
By that logic,
ठीक है तेरा जॉर्ज हेट थोड़ा ये कर दे
कोई जॉर्ज जॉर्ज मेरे से पैसा लिया क्या उसने?
no, but by that logic, they have constructors in their pocket anyway.
Yeah.
They also have two very good contenders for WDC. और क्या चाहिए भाई? What more do you want?
I think
It's watertight.
even now they can have constructors in the back because George is consistent.
But तू वही नहीं
Antonelli
समझ
is
रहा।
faster, like whenever he
See,
is fast, he's
I'm-
mostly fast.
right now, you're saying they can have constructors. If there was Max and Antonelli, they had constructors.
Yeah, it's the best case scenario if Max
See,
comes.
see,
but
जो विवियन बोल रहा है ना वो ऐसा है कि कंस्ट्रक्टर्स कंफर्म, WDC कंफर्म, टोटो छुट्टी पे जाके लोनावला में कुमार रिजॉर्ट में वेट एंजॉय में
सुनील वैक्स म्यूजियम जाके
कुमार रिजॉर्ट सुन के क्या टाइम हो गया
टोटो उधर रूम लेने वाला है उधर।
सुनील वैक्स म्यूजियम जाके वहाँ पे मस्त
मगनलाल चिक्की
मगनलाल
तू
चिक्की
क्या
सुनील
करेगा
वैक्स
यश?
म्यूजियम
यश बोलना।
मैं तो रसल को नहीं निकालूंगा
That's I also don't
इसीलिए
see
तू
the
पॉइंट्स
point.
टेबल में भी नीचे है। तू ऐसे सब काम करता
अबे
है ना। मैं ये बचा के
आ गया ना
रखा
तेरे अंदर का गंदा
What a personal dig.
मैं अभी अगले साल भी अगर रहता टोटो की जगह पे मैं रसल को नहीं निकालता बिकॉज बोथ द ड्राइवर्स आर डूइंग एक्सेप्शनली वेल फॉर द टीम इटसेल्फ
Yeah.
अभी टीम के बारे में टोटो सबसे पहले सोचेगा क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्टर्स जीतेंगे पैसा ज्यादा आएगा अपग्रेड ज्यादा आएंगे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बोथ ऑफ देम आर डूइंग एक्सेप्शनली वेल कंसिडरिंग इट्स अ न्यू रेगुलेशन
I don't see the point of getting Max. It's just a nice wet dream at this point.
Yeah.
Oh, Max आ जाएगा
See, I feel if the opportunity comes, Toto should just take it.
if it comes yes
if
it comes
अभी तुम लोगों को बताता हूँ कि साइंस वाज as good as Leclerc.
science is better than
one
Leclerc.
better
हाँ
than
तो भाई
Leclerc.
नहीं सैक्रिफाइस किया हैमिल्टन के लिए। वही सिचुएशन होएगा इधर।
Yeah.
Yeah,
वही situation
होगा
होने वाला है।
होगा. I'm not saying Toto नहीं करेगा. I'm saying I don't see the point.
What my point is, right now, this whole entire Max moving to Mercedes, George being thrown out, is the same to same argument that we had like a year and a half back about Ferrari.
Yeah.
That if Hamilton is coming, Sainz being thrown out is sad, but at the end of the day,
But
that's the
in
sport.
Mercedes, yeah. I
But
mean,
no.
Italian
You can't compare Mercedes to a Ferrari because Ferrari thinks out of their ass.
मैं कल वही बैठ के सोच रहा था, ये वीडियो देखा ना, तो मैं कल वही बैठ के सोच रहा था कि जब फेरारी जैसे टीम में जब उन्होंने मैक्लारेन साइंस को जाने बोला, मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैक्लारेन के पास भी आएगा, क्योंकि मैक्लारेन में ऑलरेडी इकोसिस्टम है कि जीपी आ रहा है, जीपी टीम प्रिंसिपल बनेगा, तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि दे मे टेल पियास्ट्री टू, एंड इट्स जस्ट सैड, इट्स जस्ट सैड इन द स्पोर्ट, दैट इज बिकॉज
It's not fair. Like even
when a driver, sorry, एक कमिट, when a driver like Max is a free agent here, भाई तुमको there will be dominoes that will fall. One domino will fall. It's either Russell here or it's either Piastri.
Piastri, but I think Piastri Red Bull ही जाएगा.
So if Max goes to Mercedes, big if
George
Max,
Red Bull.
Max goes to Mercedes, Piastri will go to where?
अरे but
Piastri
Mercedes
तो इधर ही रहेगा ना, McLaren में रहेगा.
McLaren में रहेगा ना, वो कहाँ से आ गया? Mercedes जा रहा है ना
Wait.
Max.
Russell,
What, you think
अगर
George would
समझ-
go to McLaren?
Piastri can also come to Mercedes.
एक सेकंड dude, दुहान को भी तो निकाल दिया ना, मतलब like
तू
I
उसका
know
नाम
it's-
ढूंढ रहा था?
हाँ, मैं भूल गया उसका नाम क्या था.
Oh, yeah.
I was like,
Duhan.
कोई तो था यार.
Jack
But
Duhan.
yeah, even that, even Red Bull.
हाँ.
See, the
Dude,
thing
वही
is,
जैक दुहान का देखा जाए, उसका बाप is
Mick Duhan.
Yeah, Mick Duhan is huge, and Michael Schumacher's nothing works.
but that's what I'm saying. No, when push comes to shove, it
They shove.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they shove. Because none of these teams are driver centric. See, that's what I'm saying. Only Red Bull up until now, because they had that good a car, they had that good a driver. You can say Red Bull is Max and Max is Red Bull.
Yeah.
But there's no other team you can say that with.
That's true.
Maybe down the line, a year or two,
Ferrari.
Ferrari you can say with Hamilton. But that's also maybe down the line.
Mercedes with Kimi, I hope.
Again, it's a very down the line thing.
Yeah, right
But
now, Max
it's
Red Bull is Max Red Bull,
is
yeah.
Max Red Bull.
मेरा एक वाइल्ड थ्योरी था, तुम लोगों को पता, गाली दोगे उसके बाद. देखो, हर न्यू रेगुलेशन में एक टीम सफर करता है. मैक्लारेन ने सफर किया. जिस हिसाब से पिछले रेगुलेशन में मैक्लारेन ने चालू किया, सबको लग रहा था क्या चुत्तिया गाड़ी बनाया, लंड लोग, लोडू लोग, ऐसा मैंने भी बोला था. फिर उन्होंने दे टर्न द स्टोरी अराउंड. Now
बोल
we
रहा है
see-
Red Bull will suffer
no,
this season.
No. Now we see Aston Martin is struggling a lot. It's struggling a lot. See, listen.
Okay.
It's
You
We-
went for the longest shot.
नहीं देख मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ पता है?
हाँ बोल.
They have a new factory up and coming. See, they have fucked up big time. They have a new factory up and coming. They Honda के साथ डील है उनका. विंड टनल है उन लोग के पास नया. मस्त चकाचक विंड टनल उन्होंने लोनावाला में चालू किया है. They have a wind tunnel. तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि बेल्जियम तक तो रुकेंगे सारे ड्राइवर्स. जिनको रुका है भाई पैसा
Honda
है.
की माँ की चूत यार.
नहीं एस्टन के पास पैसा है भाई उनके पास बैकिंग है.
पैसा.
So you're saying Max might shift to Aston?
I'll tell you why. Because
Oh.
Jonathan Wheatley is already going to Aston.
मैं समझ गया.
who was
Arey,
incredible.
no. Theoretically, it's understandable, but if you look at them right
He'll
now,
wait.
We've
He'll
never
wait.
seen a top A driver soar high heights when they move to a fuck all team. Who was the last person to do that?
Raikkonen,
कभी.
Lotus.
भाई लोटस को बैंकरप्ट भी कर दिया था ना उन लोग
अबे
ने.
क्या वो कितने बार बोलेंगे भाई कि वो लोटस हर बार 2 वीक का गैप आता है लोग ये डालने लग जाते हैं.
वेटल का क्या हुआ?
या वेटल का वेटल एस्टन
इसका
में
क्या हुआ? अलोंसो का.
Alonso.
Yeah, Vettel. मतलब.
Yeah, Vettel
Vettel also
Aston-
sucked ass only when he was in
I was
Aston.
thinking he meant like Vettel went from Ferrari to Red Bull. I was like, Red Bull अच्छा था. Then I understood he meant from
Red Bull to Ferrari.
Sorry, Red Bull to Ferrari.
Yeah.
I understood he's talking about the Aston Martin move.
Yeah.
नहीं अरे लिसन क्या हो गया जब अलोंसो आया था एस्टन मार्टिन में इनिशियली they had one bad season then they won a couple the first season
Podiums आए थे वो लोग को
podiums
काफी.
आए थे and he started winning so the problem with that team I feel is that the team has a lot of potential is what I see.
They have a lot of money also, but money can't buy everything.
They have a lot of money. They have team in works. They have the right amount. They have Adrian Newey, Jonathan Wheatley, who were in Red Bull. अरे हो गया fuck up. मतलब यश तू कोई गलती करेगा तो उसको यश तू अच्छा इंसान है यश.
It's not about
तू
that.
नहीं निकालना
अरे, but I don't
तू नहीं
mean
निकालना
that.
चाहता जॉर्ज रसल को. तू तेरे अच्छाई का फायदा उठा रहे लोग यश.
मैंने निकाला जॉर्ज रसल को.
तुला घृणा तू
Yes,
लोग घृणा.
good guys finish last. It's that.
See,
logic.
exactly. Abhi, like for example,
Yes.
just listen to this with open heart, open mind.
Okay.
Max in Mercedes and Kimi in Mercedes.
Okay.
ठीक है? ये दोनों.
Sure.
Where George
PSP
goes.
and- हाँ?
Go in the.
No, go
वैसा
to
हो-
Red Bull now.
रुक.
No, don't go to McLaren. Go to
Okay.
Red Bull now. No?
Red
So
Bull
that-
is Russell and Hajar.
Okay.
ठीक है? Ferrari is Piastri and Hamilton.
Ferrari is Piastri and Hamilton.
And
Yes, so wait, Piastri and Hamilton. Leclerc
And
to
McLaren is Norris and Charles.
I'd like
You
to see
understand what I mean?
But
अभी
if what
समझ.
one Leclerc has signed till what 2030.
अरे माँ की चूत भाई वो delete ये वो fucking they should burn that contract
Yeah,
off
wait.
really.
Leclerc has signed till 2030.
Now Mercedes
He
may
has
we
some
understand
exit
why
clause.
Max and Kimi will be there because Max and Kimi we understand why Mercedes.
Leclerc का
because of course.
exit
Lec-
clause मौत है सीधा.
हाँ,
He is going to
वही,
stay like.
Leclerc का exit clause है अगर मैं 50 बार रोया तो मेरे को निकलने दो प्लीज. यही है.
सीधा
what
मौत है
happened,
भाई.
Real one.
See what happened yesterday, yaar. Fucking the entire fucking grid was just passing him, dude.
नहीं
Yeah,
अरे
it was
नहीं
horrible
it was
to see.
I'll tell you Ferrari का problem क्या हो गया था. Can we talk about Ferrari का problem in the between?
Sure.
हाँ तो Ferrari का problem क्या हो गया था is that
Sorry. Before you start the Ferrari, Mercedes का what is the consensus then कि Max
नहीं Max
Not
को लेना
next year, next to next year.
My thing is, if naturally
Why?
that
Why not
comes,
next year? Why?
then take
Because
it.
Sorry?
see,
If naturally that opportunity comes,
Yeah,
Toto
then they will take it. I
Ah.
think Mercedes, but I think McLaren seems more plausible.
Because right now-
start working for Mercedes. I think
Me?
Yeah.
मैं पूछूंगा ना उन लोगों का गाड़ी क्यों नहीं.
नहीं विवेन तेरे को लेना चाहिए वो लोग.
Rear Jackman.
वीडियोग्राफी टीम में.
Videography team.
Video and director of social media.
Bro, but I don't
ऐसा
know what
role है
people
क्या?
were saying. I know we are digressing, but the broadcast for the race was so
good.
good.
Dude, okay.
So
I know
good.
we're digressing again, but man, that
हाँ.
drone shot.
Exactly, dude. I loved it, bro. And the thing is, no, that guy. See, because I have done videography, I know that guy only had to shine 3-4 times in the
Yeah,
race.
and that was enough.
And he did that. उसने वो Max और Hamilton वाला किया. Then he did the Max and Leclerc वाला भी, I think. he had
Then the
done.
McLaren sandwiching Kimi.
Dude, he picked the perfect moments also
So
to do
good.
it, dude.
Yeah.
Max and Hamilton वाला देख लिया, he was like drone.
Yeah.
Bro, he was way too good, dude.
Dude, like I mean that I think was a problem क्योंकि the cameras got so good, the stabilization got so good कि वो speed समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. ये drone वाले
Yeah.
में it feels so
It's a
exciting.
little more raw, so you can understand how it is. A lot of people online were saying कि अरे the quality is bad, it's shaky compared. I
it's
was like,
okay.
bro, it's so good, dude.
It's okay if it's a little shaky, dude. Who
I don't know
cares?
if you all have seen the like लोग ने 6-8 महीने पहले निकाला था about the
Oh,
drone
Red Bull
video
and
with
Red Bull car
It's that one
versus-
only, no?
It's that
It's
one
that
only.
only.
And it like the entire process of getting that camera done on a drone with such a high speed and like following a car, bro, बहुत कुछ जाता है
They
भाई
were
उसमें.
testing this for broadcast. I think this was the first race they tested.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
I genuinely think they should do it more. Personally.
I'm in full
Great
support.
job.
Like imagine
job.
this in 2 laps. Imagine Baku का sunset lap with this.
Oh, bro.
और imagine any wet
बाकू
race.
का पहला कॉर्नर.
बाकू का पहला कॉर्नर
Dude,
वो हिल
I
के
wanna
ऊपर
see
से आता
Spa.
ना.
I wanna
Even
see
Spa,
Spa.
dude. That's what I'm saying. It's I genuinely
तुम
feel
लोग कोटा भूल रहे हो.
बहुत मस्त.
कोटा.
नहीं मैं स्पा बोल रहा हूँ.
नहीं कोटा भूल रहे हो.
अच्छा
अच्छा
बोल रहे हो. मुझे लगा बोल
हाँ,
रहे हो.
मतलब
bro.
take any sunset lap, take
Yeah.
any like imagine this. मतलब if
कोटा would look.
I know, right? I know.
imagine this like just for the fun of it कि सिंगापुर के अंडरपास में dude भाई मजा नहीं आएगा.
That is. I don't think they'll do.
I know they won't.
I think
I
next
know
year
they
मोनाको
won't.
के वो
मतलब
टनल के
ड्रोन ही
अंदर.
गिर रहा है.
I think for the
येलो फ्लैग हो गया ड्रोन की
I think
वजह
for the thrills they'll make another video, but not during the race.
No, I know.
इतना करते रहेंगे ड्रोन फर्स्ट आएगा सबसे पहले एंड द ड्रोन विंस.
ड्रोन एस्टन मार्टिन से आगे जा रहा है.
चेतन नेमी को बोलेगा गांडू ड्रोन थारा रहे तेरे को. The problem with this time's upgrade is that वो कुछ तो निकल आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली एडियो रैंकिंग्स निकला है. तो ऐसा हो गया कि बार्सिलोना में जो फेरारी सो मेरे को व्हाट आई फेल्ट इज दैट व्हाट फेरारी फेल्ड टू डू फ्रॉम मैं मतलब फ्रॉम एकदम लेमैन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज दैट they failed to understand what went right for them in Barcelona. Is the energy deployment that they had at the corners was really good, and you don't have as much corners in this Austria. As in Barcelona, and they went with a 3-stop strategy in Barcelona, and the tire drag. And so they could do away with the tire drag, and they had a much worse tire drag here in Austria.
Yeah.
And also they were losing a lot of speed in the straights, at least by 10 to 15 kmph.
Also, just to add to all of this, it legit is a heat wave also. So like the entire
yeah, we forget.
atmosphere is also hotter.
We forget that.
So matlab,
there's
that
a
also
heat
adds to the.
Oh,
I'm sure.
A lot of people were having their brakes problem also. No,
Yeah.
Kimi was having one side of his brakes like hotter than the
Brake
other.
pulling. Yeah.
किमी खुद बोला था कि फेरारी का क्या प्रॉब्लम था
बारिश.
एनर्जी डिप्लॉयमेंट का क्या प्रॉब्लम था लेक्लर की गाड़ी का बिकॉज इट वाज रियली ऑफ एंड वन मोर प्रॉब्लम दैट this Ferrari has is that they have a very small turbocharger. So when it's a high altitude circuit, so it takes time to heat up to that particular level.
हाँ, ये तो गांव के बीच में है भाई ये रिंग.
And there's a lot of like inclination.
Yeah.
Dips and everything.
So
Like,
I think I think tire deck was there and this is a circuit जहाँ पे the rear becomes the rear part of the car becomes it's very delicate. So they were struggling with their rear end. So I feel even with the electrical components upgrade that they had, that there also they struggled. It was not up to the mark. And even Hamilton told कि Ferrari Mercedes looked really good in this circuit.
Yeah.
So I feel a lot of these factors contributed to their. अब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि एक रेस तुम जीता, तुम्हारा दूसरे रेस में चैंपियनशिप बैटल से तुम बाहर.
अरे बट फरारी का हमेशा वैसे ही रहा है.
Knockout.
if you see any race where they've done well, it's immediately next race बहुत घटिया.
दे जिसले अबे अच्छा कैसे कर लिया बे चल वापस.
Yeah, they work in extremes only, dude.
yeah.
And I feel they should have started with softs. They started with hards, even too aggressive with that strategy. And उसने भी बोला ना कि फ्रेडरिक वेस्टर ने भी बोला कि lot of places where they went wrong. And I think it's high time, dude. Ferrari gets their shit done because seeing Leclerc get passed like that
Oof,
was
that was
really
just very bad
it
to
was
watch,
really
dude.
bad.
He fell down like 6 places or something at one
Initially,
point.
it was supposed to be like a 2-stop race, but
But-
for
but-
most
और
it turned
कल
out to
वो
be
नियरली
3.
पोल पे था. तो
Yeah.
that's the fucking difference. What the fuck?
I mean,
And I think Hamilton missed the VSC, ये safety car वाला VSC वाला
No, that तो वो call बहुत late आया
No,
था.
no, I know. But imagine, मतलब, it's also a luck game. But अगर उसको वो मिल भी जाता, so then he could have maybe
Yeah.
gone even further.
Hamilton crossed the pit lane. He
हाँ.
got asked for वो नहीं हुआ. And Kimi Antonelli
Yeah.
was way before.
That's what I
into the
wanted to
pit lane.
ask क्योंकि he pit. The VSC hadn't come until then.
Yeah.
Yellow flag था, but then Kimi pit. He didn't even use
He
the
didn't know.
VSC to pit. at
No,
all.
no,
I
no.
didn't
The thing
understand.
was he had already committed to the pit.
अच्छा,
So
वो
that
तब तक
was
हो
the
गया
thing.
था.
A lot of people said
Just
that
bad
like
luck.
if you would have just waited, you could have come.
No, but वही.
But it's one of those things
Luck.
कि it's just unfortunate.
Yeah,
dude.
unfortunate. वही ठीक है. Because I was wondering when that was happening कि what the
Do
fuck.
so bad for Kimi also.
I know, but like a VSC would have been better. He pit
Yeah.
right before
Yeah,
the
he
VSC.
literally
ना.
pit and वो VSC
VSC
मतलब
चालू हो
announce
गया.
वो
So
उधर
I'm
भी-
sure he lost some time
Yeah,
there.
I think like turn 3 or 4 का corner when Albin hit the what do you call
Bollard.
that? Yeah. वो भी जब
एल्विन
टूटा.
तो क्या बहुत ही गंदे अच्छा रहा है
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, yeah.
उसने वो जो ये रहता ना रोड के मतलब अपने यहाँ पे
Bollard.
रोड के बीच में बोला
वही तोड़ दिया.
उड़ा दिया
उसकी वजह से also people were thinking कि अभी VSC होगा
think
but
उसको-
then it was just like a very
तब लोग
slight.
उसके वजह से लोग बोल भी रहे थे एल्बन बंद हो गया क्या बजीर हो गया क्या
नहीं एल्विन को मारे हॉर्न मारना चाहिए था बस ये
Yeah,
पूरा बॉम्बे के
dude.
रोड पे चलाने जैसे ही चला दो
But if you look at what a fucking drive by Max Verstappen, if you that proves on to मैं जब भी बोलता हूँ कि भाई अगर ये पूरे
बनकर मैक्स का तारीफ कर रहे हो.
नहीं देख वो फर्स्ट नहीं आया ना मेरे को चलेगा
नहीं बट लास्ट में जो गैप जो 7 सेकंड का गैप था तो जॉर्ज रसल
भाई
वो
जॉर्ज रसल की फटी हुई थी आई एम वेरी
genuinely फटी हुई थी.
भाई 2-3 लैप अगर और होता तो लेवन की बातें होती भाई
imagine you're Russell. It's bad enough that you have Verstappen in your mirrors. To add to that, उसके पीछे एंटोनेली भी है भाई.
dude Antonelli
Why?
was this close
That's what I'm saying.
एक लैप अगर और होता एंडली ले लेते
yeah for sure
If
Maybe.
it
It's a
was
नहीं नहीं लेता
It's a
वो
maybe.
भाई
No, no,
बहुत
no.
जबरदस्त चला
Antonelli-
अरे भाई कितना
I know it's Max,
2
but-
सेकंड के गैप से 1 सेकंड के अंदर लेके आया
yeah
वो.
हाँ.
I know it's Max but it's not God by the way he can be overtaken
भाई
अरे
मैं
भाई.
बोल रहा हूँ और अगर मान ले 2-3 लैप रहता दिस रेस wouldn't have been won by Russell. It could have been Max or it could have
yeah
been Kimi.
yeah no it could have been Max for sure but you never know वही Antonelli
हाँ,
उसके
but
पीछे
both
भी
of
था
them had
Max
some
knows how to
chance.
defend so well. Like उसने रेस में भी he was competing against Hamilton, Antonelli, who else? Piastri also I think. Russell तो आगे था. But then again, if there were 2 or 3 more laps, it
See,
could
but
have
even
as
in
a
been.
that
car
sense-
I think
हाँ,
Mercedes
exactly.
is
As a car,
better. yeah
as a car,
that's
yes.
what I mean I
As a
don't-
car, yes.
as a car it's better तो
Not as.
नहीं कैसा है
You mean, wait, do you think I'm comparing a 4-time world champion and an 18-year-old
Yes.
who has just started?
The comparison is, I mean, yeah, it's a very outlandish comparison, I feel, but also the fact that if you have to look at the confidence with which Kimi is coming
Yeah.
into this race, so and dude, they were flying with that car, like they were totally flying with that car. एंड मैक्स का वही है ना कि मैक्स का वही है कि लोग समझते नहीं है कि भाई वो कार अप टू द मार्क भी नहीं रहेगा ना वो कार से सब कुछ एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है
लोग समझते हैं भाई
बट
ये
अगर 2
समझ-
लैप होता ना यश भाई किमी ले लेता था
Yeah. देख,
भाई बिकॉज़
किमी-
तू एंड देखेगा ना भाई बाजू में थे वो लोग
Yeah.
बाजू में थे
Dude, okay, Kimi
ए, अरे
is the
स्ट्रेट
champ.
भी ले लेता था उससे स्ट्रेट भी ले
Straight
लेता
पे ले
था
नहीं,
लेता
just
था.
look at Kimi's ये भी ना, he's 18, 19, whatever he is. He's leading the championship. He has the fastest car. He's not, ठीक है, Max है, ठीक है, but and he won 5 races in a, I think confidence wise, mentality wise, car wise, everything he had
Same,
to overtake.
but the flip side of that is even the commentators were saying, right now this is a guy who is ahead in championship. He has his teammate behind. Max can go all elbows out because he has nothing to lose.
That's fair. That's
So
good
it's a
point, yeah.
very but कोई ना कोई जॉर्ज को तो ले लेता 100%.
Yeah, वो तो
Beat
होता.
Max, beat Kimi.
वो तो
जॉर्ज
होता
तो
ही
जाता
Interview with
है.
the new.
टोटो ही ले लेता उसको.
जॉर्ज कम हियर जॉर्ज काइंडली कम हियर मला
George
कैसा है
box. For what? अबे निकल वो लोग दोनों को.
I'll tell you why because as much जितना भी मैंने खेला है and I know how like I figured how the battery thing in it works. Nobody who has started overtaking from the first hairpin has ever finished that lap behind the person overtaken. तो अभी because of the energy deployment अगर तूने पहले लैप में ही पूरा अपना बैटरी यूज कर लिया the second person is obviously not going to use the battery and use it at the straight, be more ahead,
Yeah.
and then lose the gas, hit the brake, get more battery, turn, and then be more
Yeah, I
ahead
think
than
yeah, I think McLaren के एक overtake में हुआ था. McLaren,
Yeah.
I forgot which
कौन सा
team,
वाला? हाँ.
but one team did this only where basically they didn't overtake on speed, they overtook completely
The
on
more
battery,
you
turn
save your
किया
battery.
and they just rub out the battery.
The more you save your battery till 3 or 4 and just try to be in the slipstream of the car in front, then after that fourth turn, you hit the fucking battery and keep going forward. Then there's no looking back.
You know, with complete full assists, ये सब करना नहीं पड़ता है in the game. With full assists, मैं बस
Oh man. But yeah, like it would have been another close gap only.
Yeah.
But Verstappen
no,
would still.
we never know. अब वो
Yeah,
होता
yeah,
कि नहीं होता is just अब
If,
all theory. Yeah.
Bro,
Complete that
my mind is boggled by the fact that at this point there is a chance in the world that Govind, you finished more races than Aston Martin did
That's
in
true.
F1 2026.
That's true. It's just
No, इसने 25 ही लिया.
Oh, अच्छा.
मैं लूंगा भी.
गरीब.
तू तेरे पास है ना देना मेरे को. ये look like मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
It's actually an upgrade in the 25 only.
तू
देखो, अलग से
26
नहीं
बाद में भी लेगा ना, तू स्ट्रोल से ज्यादा रेसेस खत्म कर लेगा.
मैं अभी
At this point.
वही वो सीजन के पहले तो ले लूंगा ना मैं.
It's
तो वैसे खत्म.
basically it's an upgrade in the 25 game, but you have to purchase that, and it's very like it's 2000. So
Okay.
तू गरीब बुला रहा है उसको.
ठीक है. नहीं मैं करूंगा. तू रुक भाई तू.
मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगता है the way now Colapinto's place in that God-forsaken Alpine is not fixed. I feel there will be a point where I feel in this season Colapinto will come in top 5 और मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना वो जाके फ्लाईओवर बोलते हुए चढ़ेगा. फ्लाईओवर तो से झोलर और दिक्कार है फ्लाईओवर. क्या बोला था पता है? If one of the Mercedes driver is available, I would like to.
Yeah.
मैंने वाला भोसड़ी के भिखमंगे साले लुक्खे.
नहीं, he said he's gonna confirm the what do you call the क्या बोलते हैं the उसका
Lineup.
team का the lineup only after seeing if there is an availability by someone from Mercedes or like the top teams.
Bro, you have a team. You have
Tell
a
them
good
to suck
team. You have
ass.
Colapinto and Gasly.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? मतलब अभी तक मतलब बेचारा ये कैडिलैक ने अभी तक बोटास को निकाला नहीं है.
अबे क्या अभी क्यों निकालेगा? अभी तो आए वो लोग.
नहीं बोटास को निकाल रहे हैं वो लोग.
सच में?
या फिर better example is Haas hasn't removed Ocon yet.
That's but वो तो जा रहा है. I think we all
Eventually
know.
it is going to happen.
I think-
It's not happened yet.
No, but wait, Cadillac's actually trying to remove Bottas.
Yeah.
What?
They're gonna get Helton Kota.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Fits
वैसे,
better with their
हाँ.
narrative also.
Yeah. No. That didn't make sense.
And we also need to kind of appreciate the fact that.
what?
The fact that.
Fact that Gabriel Bortoleto no have lazy English and Hulkenberg have been doing a great job.
Brother, Audi has
are-
been doing well.
What I really like about Racing Bulls right now, let's say if everything stays the same, it is like Max is in the team. If Red Bull Racing Bulls puts a little more effort now, it will have a grade B team as a buffer in between somewhere.
But they're not doing bad. They're getting points. Even this race,
That's
they had
what- that's
points.
what.
9th and 10th, you know.
9th
yeah.
and 10th, yeah.
They
double
had
points
points.
again.
Yeah.
Last time
Who?
also double points.
Lindblad
Racing
and
Bulls, yeah.
ये क्या बोलते हैं Racing Bulls completely.
I'll correct myself over here. Like Red Bull, Audi is not like Audi as a driver. Drivers are doing like pretty decent, but not on the points table actually. So at this point, Alpine is number 5,
Okay.
Racing Bulls is number 6,
Okay.
Haas, Williams, Audi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
We were completely mistaken.
ये पूरा नया लेते हैं, ये नहीं डाल सकते.
नहीं. It's funny enough.
नहीं,
That,
but डाल नहीं सकते. लौड़े
No,
लगते हैं.
no. The point is, what we described was the vibe. That's the fact.
Okay.
That is what it is.
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
really
fair.
telling me Aston Martin is driving better than Cadillac? Vibes wise, but on points table, it's very different.
Everything
yeah.
is different on the points table.
Yeah, like
we go
not,
for the vibes.
Not this year, but like.
Also,
you-
wait 1 second. Cadillac और Aston Martin में points difference सिर्फ एक का ही है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि
Yeah.
Aston Martin को एक ही मिला है.
Yeah.
वो भी थोड़ा
So-
गलती से अलोंसो आ गया था P10.
हाँ. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you were like.
Again, just to say, we're comparing Aston Martin and Cadillac. Cadillac is a new team. So you have to put that. And Aston Martin is, as he said, with so many resources. So
Yeah.
वैसे भी, it's not like it's with context.
Points table पे it's Alpine, Racing Bulls, Haas as like the
Racing
midfield
Bulls is
or,
actually doing very well.
Mwah.
I think the other team that Max should consider is Racing Bulls.
रेसिंग बुल्स
Yeah, no, बीच में वही तो बात हो रहा है. Racing Bulls are doing so well compared to like what.
और
Max is
लॉसन
doing
को
in Red Bull.
वापस ऊपर ले गया
हाँ?
लॉसन को वापस
लॉसन को
ऊपर ले
डेजा
गया
वो हो रहा है भाई.
Lawson तो is a ball in a ping pong match, dude. कभी इधर, कभी उधर, कभी इधर, कभी उधर.
Yeah.
हो है वो हो.
But Lindblad, I'm saying Lindblad के कितने points है अभी? Because I
Lindblad.
feel he's doing very good this
My
season, but I'm
brother
not
from
sure.
UK, Arvid Lindblad, 13th. नहीं,
Hey,
क्या
from
है?
India, भाई.
Driver standings, yeah.
Yeah.
He is at किधर गया? 14.
Okay.
Yeah.
Half of Lawson. Lawson is 30.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Not bad for a rookie.
Not bad for a rookie
Yep.
at all, dude. From India. From India.
India.
Represent.
India.
Did anyone get the predictions right?
On Instagram and YouTube, I don't think anybody got the predictions right. No, that I nobody got the predictions.
So
right.
then, yeah,
I
where
checked.
else do we put it? We only put it on Instagram and YouTube.
No, I
It's
said
in
I
Bombay
don't
Times
think.
also. You don't know. They write
No,
back to us.
I said I don't think, but I know. And Vivian will take it forward with our predictions and fantasy.
So
Okay.
fun week again for all of us.
I don't know this time. Last time I पूरा calculate करके रखा था. This time I'm not sure. I know I got decent points.
I
See,
don't know,
so
yeah.
in our predictions, nobody got
Yeah.
any of us right. अरे हाँ भाई बोलने तो दे यार. एक prediction
Last time पूछ रहे थे, oh, you think Max will be in the podium? Yeah, bitch.
हाँ ठीक है. Even he said Max on podium, but he said third. That's the
yeah.
only difference. You said Kimi, Hamilton, Max. Shetty said Hamilton, Kimi, Russell. I said Kimi, Russell, Hamilton. You said Kimi, Max, Hamilton. So you got Max right. Apart from that, nobody got
Nobody got
anything
anything right.
Coming to fantasy.
Let's go.
What order should we start in? Should we start with Yash and go on top from there?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yash was Red Bull, Max and Piastri.
Mark,
Red Bull 26, Max 18, Piastri 12. Your
Not bad.
Not bad. Your new total is 247.
Brother,
200 marks.
Congrats, brother. 200 के ऊपर आ
Welcome
गया
to 200 Club.
My parents have raised me to never be satisfied.
What random things Yash does, dude. But congratulations. After that,
200 club.
Govind.
Yes.
You were Mercedes, Hamilton, Gasly. Gasly didn't score
Yeah, of
any
course.
points, sadly. But Mercedes got 40, Hamilton got 10. You are at 264.
Boom, boom.
क्या बात है? मेरे और इसमें कितना फर्क है?
गोविंद में
20.
हाँ अराउंड 20 का.
अच्छा गैप क्लोज किया तूने.
Yeah. Then after that is me. I took McLaren, Russell and Norris. McLaren 18, Russell 25, Norris 6. I'm at 275.
Oh, yeah, not that far
Everyone
also.
is like a little closer
yeah,
now.
Yeah.
And then
और
the
ये
leader.
चिकना.
You took Ferrari, Kimi and Hadjar. Ferrari 14, Kimi 15 and Hadjar 8. You are at 372.
Perks of having pussycats on his shirt.
Brother, you're too ahead, dude. कुछ करना पड़ेगा. एक काम करते हैं ना. दो फैंटेसी.
2 DNF कर दे इसको.
हाँ, इसका DNF. ये है ही नहीं.
चलो.
अभी पहले कौन करने वाला है?
शेट्टी.
हाँ.
अबे यार, ये हमेशा शेट्टी पहले कैसे कर देता है?
Last time तूने किया ना गांडू.
I just don't like it very.
I went to the video and I cross-checked it. Trust me. शेट्टी.
ले ले सब जो लेना है तेरे को.
Prediction बता पहले.
पहले prediction बता.
Prediction. My prediction is Kimi Antonelli, Russell, and Hamilton.
Okay, I'll say it. Hamilton, Kimi, Max.
होम रेस में रसल गाड़ी ठोक देगा.
अबे तो हैमिल्टन का भी तो होम रेस है.
हाँ बे.
लंदन और इसका भी तो है.
Max,
Max.
Hamilton, Russell.
I'll go with Hamilton.
Yeah.
I want a Silverstone victory with Hamilton.
Yeah, that's
I'll
why
go
I-
with Max and Kimi.
Max because of the drama for me actually.
No, see, मैं Hamilton भी. This is all just for fun. देखते हैं भाई ये. I would have
Done.
chosen
बताओ.
Kimi otherwise.
शेट्टी.
बोल तेरा
Fantasy league.
घटिया fantasy.
Mercedes,
Yeah.
अबे ये क्या है बे?
Kimi,
How he is picking his boots up.
अच्छा चल ठीक है जा.
Mercedes,
Hey,
Kimi.
wait. There should be a rule if you pick a team.
We should have had
Yeah.
this rule in the start. Now there's no point.
चल ना रे क्या?
Hey, Shetty,
No,
Shetty,
no,
come
no,
on.
no. Shetty to
Shetty, you're
70.
100 points ahead than
It's
him.
okay now. Let it.
No, no, no. Hey, चुप रह.
अरे
Let
it's
me be
okay
petty.
now.
ए इधर
One
कोई
second.
फेयर प्ले अवार्ड नहीं मिलने वाला है.
हाँ, shut up. It's
सारे-
okay. तू तो लास्ट है भाई. तू नहीं आएगा आगे. हम लोग को तो करने दे.
ठीक है. Mercedes,
हाँ
Don't influence him.
अरे, I'm not
It's
hitting
okay.
you.
Mercedes Russell.
चलेगा अभी नाटक मत
नहीं Mercedes चल Hamilton.
Mercedes Hamilton.
Hadjar.
Okay.
करो. So wait, we have to do like all three from different teams.
No, but if
No,
you're
no.
taking the team,
हाँ,
like
that
at
A
least
driver
try
can't
to-
be of that
A
team.
driver तो अलग ले लेना यार फिर तो.
You wanna switch seats?
No. I'm taking.
I get the worst end of this dude right now.
Can you shut the fuck up?
जब तू अब भी 200 पॉइंट्स में क्लब एंट्री लिया ना तब ये सब नहीं बोल.
हाँ.
तू फिर भी 200 में था लास्ट टाइम.
Fair.
I'm going to take Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Kimi. I can see the light dwindle in both your eyes. And I'll take.
तू काम कर रहा अपना.
I'll take. Who I'll take? तूने हैडजर लिया ना? I'll take Leclerc. चलेगा. थोड़ा रिस्क लेने का रे शेट्टी. तेरे जैसा नहीं.
है ना रिस्क है भाई.
बता.
ये-
लगला कैसे
McLaren.
रुक जा. क्या?
McLaren.
McLaren.
Kimi.
किमी लिया रे बाबा मैंने. ऊपर ही लिया.
Russell.
रसल और मैक्स मत ले.
तो Max. And Lawson.
ठीक है. तो तू तो रसल ही लेगा.
मेरा रसल बाकी है ना.
हाँ।
हाँ ठीक है चलो. रेड बुल ही है ना अभी एक तो टॉप 4 में बचा हुआ.
Alpine भी ले सकता है. Alpine.
चुप रहे. रेड बुल रसल एंड नॉरिस.
Norris और Russell दोनों A drivers है यार.
भाई वो ए ड्राइवर्स तो सब ले रहे हैं भाई. अब वो
No, but I did Max, Lawson.
लोग सब दूसरा ड्राइवर मेरे को नहीं पता था. मैं हमेशा नीचे ले रहा था. तुम लोग दो ए ड्राइवर ले रहे थे.
मैंने कहा दो
भाई मैंने कौन सा ए ड्राइवर
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ इन जनरल इसके पहले भी ले चुके हो.
अच्छा चल ठीक है ले ले.
ठीक है मैं पियास्ट्री बोल दूंगा अगर.
अच्छा ठीक है
Piastri
पियास्ट्री
कर
ले.
ले.
पियास्ट्री कर
Piastri will be safer.
फॉर यू.
And no.
But yeah, fun. So let's go over fantasy again. Red Bull, Russell, Piastri,
Yeah.
Mercedes, Hamilton, Hadjar, Ferrari, Kimi, Leclerc, and McLaren, Max and Lawson. Should be
Oof.
fun.
But guys, next race मजा आएगा because we are doing a live on 5th of July
Yes.
at Quadrupillar Khar.
Links
in
the
Tickets on Book My
description.
Show. फटाफट ले लो guys. Very few tickets left.
ठीक है आओ टिकट लो. लिंक इन बायो.
जो भी आया उसको हम लोग ये देने वाले हैं
Yeah.
अंडर अ ट्रिविया.
आई थिंक यू आर फॉरगेटिंग. हम
ये
लोग
मालूम तुम लोग को like fuck all the scalpers in the fucking world because this at one site was coming up for like $3,000.
Sure.
This and one day randomly on Blinkit I got it for like $800.
So much money for Williams, Haas, Alpine.
वो
But they
लोग
are
के-
very good ones.
वो लोग का नेटवर्क जितना.
But
Yeah.
इसके बाद Mercedes और Red Bull.
So buy the tickets. We will have a nice time over here. We'll be watching the race together. We'll
It's
be
the
doing all of
same
this
place.
bakchodi also.
Yeah, it's the same place, but you'll be here.
Yes.
And what's better than you being here? Right?
You can see Shetty doing like impressions.
See, and also he'll do it shirtless. If you book a ticket right now, Shetty will be shirtless.
First 5 people get meet and greet with shirtless
My
Shetty.
girlfriend watches this. I don't see this.
Dude, Shetty has such a nice like stage name. Shirtless Shetty.
Ooh.
First 5
Shirtless
people
Shetty.
get meet and greet
Yeah,
with
guys,
shirtless
I can
Shetty.
मेरे को दिखता है यहाँ
No
पर. तो-
banyan also.
हाँ मुझे दिखता है तो मुझे पता है एग्जैक्टली कितने टिकट्स गए. तो अगर तुम लोग ने
बताना
अभी
मत.
खरीदा तुम लोग बस एक बार बता दो मेरे को खरीदा है तो आई विल नो. और तुम लोग को शर्टलेस शर्टी
Over
मिलेगा
को
भाई.
DM भेज देना बस.
हाँ कि शर्टलेस शर्टी चाहिए. ठीक है?
And
Done.
if you all have anything that, like anything Formula One related, which you would like us to keep it on the table for all the world to see, please get us some souvenirs. We'll be very happy.
Yes.
We'll mention also कि अरे ये इसने दिया, ये इसने दिया.
Put your comments, put your predictions.
Yes, put your comments, put your predictions. Tell us who you think
Rubbish.
will win in this fantasy by the
Apart
end
from
of...
Shetty.
Yeah, fuck that guy, bro.
Okay, but thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.
This was Austrian Grand Prix. Now we will see you all for the live British Grand Prix race at Quadrupillar Khar West on what is the date? 5th of July. But till then, Coven Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivian Castellino, Yash Barse, thank you so much for watching Drive to Survive.
Bye-bye.
We will see you all
Bye.
for British Grand Prix. Tickets in the
Bye.
bio.
Bye.
Bye.
हो गया अबे लोड़े क्या कर रहा है.